Welcome to Algebra 1, Module 1, Lesson number 5. Today's topic is expressions from word statements. The objective of this lesson is to be able to translate a description of an expression into a mathematical expression using parentheses only when needed. The best way to practice this is let's try some of the examples and we'll go through each example. We have 5 of them to discuss. Example number 1. Subtract 6 from 21, then add 3. Well, so you subtract 6 from 21. So that means 21 minus 6. You subtract 6 from 21. And then you add 3. Please note, in this case, no parentheses are needed because addition and subtraction are done in the order from left to right. So there's no parentheses needed. Example number 2. Subtract 6 from 21, then divide by 3. Okay, so subtract 6 from 21. So 21 minus 6. So you're subtracting 6 from 21. So 21 minus 6. And then you divide by 3, which you can kind of put it over like a fraction. So, or another way you could write this is 21 minus 6 divided by 3. In this case, parentheses or vinculum are needed. Without them, the 6 would be first divided by the 3. And that's not good. So that's not the proper order of operations. Let's try example number 3. Add 3 to x, then square the result. Okay, so let's add 3 to x. So x, and then you're adding 3. And then let's square the result. So it's parentheses x plus 3 close parentheses squared. Note that parentheses are needed. Without them, only the 3 would be squared. So please note that x plus 3 squared is not the same thing as x plus 3 parentheses x plus 3 close parentheses squared. It's not the same thing. The reason being, x plus 3 squared is x plus 9, and that does not equal x plus 3 squared, which you'll learn later in the course. You'll learn it to be x squared plus 6x plus 9. So you're missing the middle term if you just square the 3. Okay, let's try example number 4. The sum of squares of x and 3. The sum of squares of x and 3. So square x, so x squared, square 3, so 3 squared, and then you add, so that's equivalent to x squared plus 9. Note that there are no parentheses needed because squaring is done before adding. No parentheses needed. Let's try the 5th example. The quantity r minus s cubed. Okay, so r minus s. Okay, let's do r minus s and then cubed. Please note that parentheses are needed in this case since the quantity means that the subtraction must be done first. That concludes this lesson, and if you have any questions or would like additional tutoring, please contact Subject Whiz Learning. Thank you very much.